Hello and welcome. This is the drum in question for this video. It's a sound demo. It's to accompany our Etsy listing for this drum. All the details, the photographs and the description will be in the Etsy listing. This video is just about the sound. So I'm going to crack on. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, separately obviously. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum. There's an option on the checkout. I'll start with a firm beater. So what we've actually got, I better just say before we start, we've got a 22 by 18 inch oval drum. If I turn it over here, you can see the way it's laced on the back. It's an oak wood frame, and we've got a buffalo skin drum head here. So let's start with the firmer beater. Gorgeous. And a softer beater. It's got a very big presence and a deep sound to this drum. It's beautiful. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online, which is always tricky. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.